Hello and welcome to Steve Explores. My name is Steve. Since 2017 I've visited over 200 castles in Austria and beyond. Starting in the year 900, right up to the 19th century, stone castles were being built in Austria. Today, around 1,800 fortified and culturally registered buildings remain. Many of these are hidden and forgotten jewels, and together we'll be exploring them in this series. Each episode will feature one specific castle covering its history and architecture. It will also include an on-site review where we showcase the highlights of these millennium-old structures. We are planning to bring you a new episode every month. For the first episode we'll be travelling to Styria. So stay tuned and we'll see you there.